Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to do a quick do-it-yourself how-to video. Anyways, I use this stuff on my shower. My master bathroom shower was leaking. All the grout was cracking, and it was leaking downstairs. And I don't know exactly where it was leaking from, but I went through with this GE all-purpose silicone for this one's window and doors. I bought the one for bathrooms, and it wasn't perfect, but I had to do every crossroad and every four-way stop on this thing, and I wasn't very careful at all. I just wanted to get this stuff on there. I just wanted to prevent the leak from happening, and I didn't really care what it looked like. Eventually I wanted to replace this, or at least I thought I wanted to replace this tile, this original tile, and after I did it, I thought, oh my heavens, that kind of has that old world, when you go to like a restaurant in Italy or somewhere and you see a very kind of a drywall patch done, and kind of it kind of has an old world kind of feel to it. But here's the outside, and I thought, and it stopped any leak. I haven't had any leak since, and I did that. It took a couple of days because I didn't have a whole lot of energy to work long hours at it each day, but I'm telling you, it stopped the leak like nothing flat. All it is silicone caulking, and I did it on every street and four-way stop and all the way up and down my shower, and now it's not leaking at all. So another success for DIY. Thank you. Bye-bye.